What is this called? Shark. What is this called? Dolphin. What is this called? Whale. What is this called? Octopus. What is this called? Squid. What is this called? Jellyfish. What is this called? Starfish. What is this called? Sea turtle. What is this called? Lobster. What is this called? Crab. What is this called? Shrimp. What is this called? Clownfish. What is this called? Seahorse. What is this called? Stingray. What is this called? Eel. What is this called? Sea urchin. What is this called? Sea anemone. What is this called? Swordfish. What is this called? Tuna. What is this called? Salmon. What is this called? Cod. What is this called? Mackerel. What is this called? Barracuda. What is this called? Marlin. What is this called? Moray eel. What is this called? Flounder. What is this called? Anglerfish. What is this called? Blue tang. What is this called? Pufferfish. What is this called? Manta ray. What is this called? Coral. What is this called? Sea cucumber. What is this called? Sea snail. What is this called? Mussel. What is this called? Oyster. What is this called? Clam. What is this called? Scallop. What is this called? Hermit crab. What is this called? Squat lobster. What is this called? Sea otter. What is this called? Sea lion. What is this called? Walrus. What is this called? Manatee. What is this called? Narwhal. What is this called? Beluga whale. What is this called? Orca, killer whale. What is this called? Humpback whale. What is this called? Gray whale. What is this called? Sperm whale. What is this called? Hammerhead shark. What is this called? Great white shark. What is this called? Tiger shark. What is this called? Nurse shark. What is this called? Bull shark. What is this called? Blue whale. What is this called? Mako shark. What is this called? Electric eel. What is this called? Lionfish. What is this called? Grouper. What is this called? Snapper. What is this called? Parrotfish. What is this called? Blenny. What is this called? Haddock. What is this called? Anchovy. What is this called? Sardine. What is this called? Herring. What is this called? Halibut. What is this called? Crayfish. What is this called? Cuttlefish. What is this called? Nautilus. What is this called? Barnacle. What is this called? Krill. What is this called? Copepod. What is this called? Sea slug. What is this called? Sea sponge. What is this called? Nudibranch. What is this called? Sea hare. What is this called? Brittle star. What is this called? Horseshoe crab. What is this called? Stonefish. What is this called? Frogfish. What is this called? Pipefish. What is this called? Lanternfish. What is this called? Sea robin. What is this called? Goby. What is this called? Surgeonfish. What is this called? Reef shark. What is this called? Leopard shark. What is this called? Porpoise. What is this called? Pilot whale. What is this called? Ribbonfish. What is this called? Dogfish. What is this called? Flying fish. What is this called? Sailfish. What is this called? Sand dollar. What is this called? Mola mola, ocean sunfish. What is this called? Remora. What is this called? Cleaner fish. What is this called? Garfish. What is this called? Trumpet fish.